Welcome civil engineers to Microsoft Power BI Mastery Program specially designed for the civil engineers. All the engineers, engineering students, engineering professional and working civil engineers are welcome here. Okay. So I am more excited for our live webinar. Okay. And I am day to day basis I am interacting with number of engineers through direct phone call, video conferencing or the WhatsApp call to know their requirement, and more than hundreds of the engineers had joined this course and they are benefited. So their reviews are also I am sharing with you. Okay. And to know your requirement and to match my workshop or the mastery program for the construction industry, we have to go together. So everybody is welcome once again. Okay. So purpose of this video that I want to tell you the details about our 3 days program. Now you are in our curriculum page, okay, where I have shared some 2 videos, one PDF file and one video for how to download the Microsoft Power BI desktop. Okay. So all these 3 videos are very important to you. Before joining the live session, you have to be ready with the Microsoft Power BI desktop loaded into your system. When you will join our workshop first day, Saturday in the evening time, every engineer has to open and we will conduct our live dashboard preparation as per the PDF file shared with you. That tutorial you have to do 2-3 days before also, so that you will be ready during the session. Within half an hour you can build the session. Again with the repetition, you will be well versed with the various tools in the Microsoft Power BI. Okay. So it will be very easy to understand you to utilize the Microsoft Power BI application in our civil engineering project. So I think we will go ahead and I will just share my screen with you. Okay. So you understand that this is our first day. In the first day you will build executive financial report. Okay. As per in the explained in the tutorial, you will follow step by steps from the tutorial. This PDF is shared with you, so you follow each and every step from this PDF. Okay. And build your first dashboard. The same exercise we will do in our first mastery class. Okay. The next day we will build the MIS for the road project. Okay. For which I will share with you the data sheet. Okay. In which data sheet lot of entries are made, that is from the tendering, estimation, budget phase to the progress stage. Okay. These are the daily progress report, daily progress data of a project. Okay. And from this data we will build the smart dashboards, where you will get all the information about the project timelines, project revenue, budget, daily revenue, monthly revenue and the yearly revenue, the cost which is